I had purchased a bike for one of the grandsons whose birthday it was. And so I went up to Heber to take them, and I had stopped at a stop sign when a young man ran into me. And well, the pain started out in my knee, and so I went to a doctor and he did a scope on the knee. But that didn't solve the problem, and so a partial knee was put in. And I'm allergic to metals, so they had to be very careful what they did with my knee. Well, the partial broke loose, and it was moving around as I walked, and it was very painful. There were times when I didn't think I could stand the pain anymore. So I finally went to another doctor, and he said that it was going to have to be totally replaced. I loved being with my grandkids, doing those experiences. I loved going to the zoo, to museums, and I couldn't do any of those things anymore because of the accident and the pain I was having. Getting in and out of a car was unbelievably terrible. I started receiving bills from the hospital's emergency room, and this young man's insurance refused to pay. And then I saw online an advertisement for Christensen Hymas law firm, and it was for their free pamphlet, and I took that pamphlet and read it and realized that I was going to need help, that his insurance was totally unwilling to help me in any way. When I contacted them, they came to my home to see what they could do to help and the situation. They talked to me. Then whenever I had a question, they were willing to email me or to talk to me over the phone. I felt that they were honest people, that I could trust them to do what was right for me, and that in the end, I was hopeful that I would be secure in my home and my future as an elderly person. I retired as a secretary, and when you're reaching 65 years old, you can't find work again that will help you meet the needs that you have as an elderly person. But because of Russ Hymas and his expertise and those that work with him, they were able to get a financial settlement for me. And so for me to be able to feel that I am secure now in my home and my future has been a wonderful blessing to me.